Hi, I'm Tim Broxson, and this is my second project for the game programming class at FAU. Now, this game is called Rocket Bears Must Die. And here I have my little handy dandy instructions screen. Make that go away. And so the object of the game is very simple. You play as a jet, and you're trying to put a stop to this dreaded Rocket Bear scourge. I mean, obviously, I don't really have a story at the moment, but in my mind, they're trying to destroy the Earth, and I'm the only one who can save them. So I need to put a stop to these bears. But in any case, I guess I could talk about what I really changed from the first project to the next, because this is kind of an iteration of the first one. And for my first game, the control scheme was pretty much exactly like the one in the sample code that was provided in class for the space game, where you would use the left and right keys to orient your ship, and then you would use the up key to move in whichever direction you pointed. But now I have a simple up is up, down is down, left is left, right is right, and space bar to fire, and game over. Score is 7. Not the best. So, as you can see, there are really only 3 states at the moment. I had a really tough time trying to implement a Barker screen and a high score screen, especially the high score screen. I could have implemented something that kept like your highest scores while you were playing, but it wouldn't have been persistent. And I really spent a lot of time looking into how to write to a file in JavaScript, and there really wasn't an elegant way of doing it that wasn't clunky or wasn't limited to certain browsers. Because it was one of the better ones I found actually only worked in Internet Explorer. Go figure. But yeah, and the Barker screen, that was more of an issue of me just not having the technical know-how, because I'm still trying to figure all of this out. But I guess I'll show off the autoplay. Now, as you can see, he really mostly moves either up or forward. And I spent a lot of time trying to get him to move in each direction evenly, but didn't exactly work like I had planned. So I changed the edge mode physics from a bounce to more of a wrap. So when he starts to fly up there, he won't just keep hugging the top of the screen. He will actually wrap up and down. Not the best, but I'm not exactly an expert at artificial intelligence. But in any case, the assets, I guess you could talk about that. The background, as you can see, is very, very pixelated, because I wanted to have this game have a very 8-bit look to it. But I'm not very artistically inclined, and the plane I use is a slightly higher resolution than the bears or the background, so it kind of sticks out a bit to me. But I think I could fix that for the next project, since from what I understand, it's just going to be an iteration of this one. But anyway, that's my game. Rocket Bears Must Die. Thank you.